Cuddy, say hi to YouTube. Say hello. Aren't you so cute? Cuddy, sit. That's down. Cuddy, sit. We're working on it. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can kind of probably hear, I am down with a sickness, like disturbed. I woke up like 2 days ago and had a massive throat soreness issue, and my voice was like completely gone. It's Thursday now, and I'm feeling a lot better, but my voice is still a little did not stop me from continuing with prep. I am 9 days out now, super excited. About to eat my first meal, just protein waffles. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I like to rip them up into little pieces. It makes me feel like there's more of them. And then I like to recently have this obsession with dipping them in my coffee. So that is what's about to go down there. I also had like lettuce and green beans, which I already ate. So that's first meal of the day. So for today's video, earlier this morning, I recorded a show suit reveal. So you guys are gonna get to see my suit today. And then earlier I recorded a metabolic high calorie burning workout. So basically with this workout, the whole point of it is to keep your heart rate up to make sure that your calorie expenditure is higher during that workout. So feel free to, source ideas from that workout to help create a workout of your own that is a little bit more fast paced and higher calorie burning. With that being said, guys, keep in mind that what you're doing outside of the gym is equally, if not more important to your overall fat loss than what you do inside the gym. So you want to make sure that you have your diet on point, that you're taking care of your body for rest and recovery outside of the gym to make sure that you're getting the most out of the work you're putting into the gym. I will probably start with the workout and you guys can see that, and then we will go into the suit reveal, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys again for a little bit. So check it out and let me know what you think. If you guys are liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, so let's get into the workout footage. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout footage for that metabolic or calorie burning workout. Now, I want to remind you guys of two really cool things going on outside of prep. Number one is going to be this month's free guide. Now, I don't normally do this, but just to give you YouTube fam a sneak peek, that's one of the recipes that you can expect to see on this month's guide. Like, doesn't that look so good? Oh my God. So sign up if you haven't already, guys. So basically it is a 7 of my top breakfast recipes that you can make in 7 steps or less. And they're all under 300 calories. So while I'm not a big fan of super low calorie eating, definitely because I'm on prep, I have to be creative. So definitely check the link in the description box and sign up for this month's guide so that you can get your copy of all my favorite breakfast recipes. There are easy ways for you guys to add calories to this as well too. But what I like is that it starts you off with a really small base so that you can build on those recipes and add more volume or more toppings or whatever the case may be to make it fit your macros. But the base is there, and the base itself tastes delicious on its own. So check out the link in the description box and sign up today if you're not already on my email list. That is number one. Number two, is the podcast. So I don't know if I've mentioned the podcast on YouTube, but the podcast is officially pre-live. So my episode 00 is out and on iTunes and Stitcher right now. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the links for those in the description box as well too. The official launch of the podcast is going to be Tuesday, March 20th. Okay, so Tuesday, March 20th is the official launch of the podcast. I'm going to be releasing 3 episodes, so you guys can check all of those out and listen to all of the amazing value that the guest speakers have to offer. If you like what you hear in the episode 00, subscribe so that you're notified when the new episodes drop. And if you listen to a couple and you really like it, it would mean the world to me if you guys subscribe, rate, and review on the podcast as well, because it's going to help to get it out to more people. Just like how when you guys subscribe and like my YouTube videos, it helps for more people to see it. It helps me with the podcast as well too. So it would mean a ton to me if you guys could do that for me. And I love reading your feedback as well too. So check it out and let me know what you think. Now, enough about that. Let's get into the suit reveal. So I was toying back and forth about like what I wanted to do about revealing the suit color. Initially, I was gonna wait until show day, but I am the worst person in the world with secrets, so you guys get to see it today. I filmed that earlier this morning after a cup of coffee and a bunch of water, so not necessarily like the least in the world when I was filming this, but the point is that you guys get to see the suit. It is freaking gorgeous. Shout out to Angel Competition Bikinis for hooking it up. They always give me beautiful freaking suits. I love them, and yeah, so without further ado, I will show you guys my suit for show day. In the world, gotta say. So my hair is too tall for this clip, but that is that. So you guys saw metabolic workout / calorie burning workout, show day suit reveal, and talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on. So at 9 days out, definitely have a lot going on. I am organized AF. I made this like super nerdy spreadsheet. This is like my show day prep list. I don't even know if it'll work. But I basically have like a calendar of stuff to do for this week, a calendar of everything I need to get done in my peak week, a packing list for Friday, a packing list for my show bag, and then a list of the donut flavors that I'm going to order for post-show. So basically that's all you really need in prepping for a show to be prepared for, is have all that written out. I put it on a Google Drive so that way when I'm actually running around, I can access it on my phone. I'm a very big list person. This just makes my life a lot easier so that I don't forget anything. So in terms of what's up for the rest of this week, I have a ton of appointments on Saturday, like haircut, getting my nails done, all of that. Sunday, I have a photo shoot with Tara. She is beautiful. I will link her information in the next vlog when I show you guys some footage from how that went. But she is super talented. I'm very excited to work with her. Tuesday, podcast goes live, which is freaking awesome. Gotta do some grocery shopping that day, get ready for everything. And then Friday, I leave for Fort Lauderdale, and it is freaking on. I am pumped, like super pumped. This is so exciting, guys. Lots of hard work. Lots of hard work went into this prep. So yeah, next week will be peak week's video, and then the week after that will be the show day. And I'll do show day vlog, I'll do a recap, all that good stuff. Take you guys with me as much as I can over the next little while. I've been trying to really keep my vlogs like in live time and trying to update you guys. Like that's why I'm filming on a Thursday and then putting it up on a Thursday, because I want you guys to be as in the loop as possible. with what's going on. So I'm gonna try my best to keep that going. Videos have been going up once a week, so I'm proud of that. But that is all I have for you guys today. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until peak week, peace.